Hey guys, just adjusting the lifters on my 67. This is a Beaumont, but same thing as a Chevelle. Anyways, this is a small block Chevy 283 motor, standard type of engine for these kind of cars. And anyways, it's a brand new motor, so it's starting to loosen up, and with that, the lifters are starting to tick here and there. I already did one about a couple days ago, so now there's another one on the other side that's ticking. You can take a look here. I'll show you kind of how it looks. Here you can see, I'm just gonna, they should move just a little bit. That one might be at the very top, dead center, but these move a little bit. This move a little bit. But then I come to this one here, and it's, I mean, you can clearly see that's where the ticking's coming from. To check how far this motor was done, because obviously I didn't rebuild it. I'm just like a backyard mechanic here, so again, do this with caution. Make sure you know kind of what you're doing. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna adjust this one. And the reason I just did a copy of one of the other lifters to find out how much it was, so it's half a turn. As an example here, I went and turned this one half a turn and it started ticking. I knew I'm a half a turn. And how this works is you just you take it until it stops ticking. Once it stops ticking, you give it a half a turn. So I'll show you how to do this right now. And it's this one, so here we go. Take note, I've heard that over tightening these can cause damage. A loose lifter apparently won't cause as much damage as a one that's been tightened too much. So I'm just putting that there. Cardboard's here just to keep the oil from going onto my headers and making a big mess. And so that's in place. Okay. All right. So it's this one here that's ticking. I can hear you can hear it ticking quite loudly. Turn it. And that's normal. The engine will quit when you're doing that. So just gonna start it up. You can see these things are really starting to piss, and now I'm getting oil. I'm gonna have to clean up all this oil here, so it's all over the exhaust too. But whatever, that's why the cardboard's there, right? Anyways, that's pretty much it.